Hey, welcome to another vlog. Welcome back to my channel. So what we're going to be doing, I don't know if you saw, but the other day I made a video where I made a 3D mold of my head right here. I thought it would be fun to make a cake out of it. Actually, I just thought,
imagine having a cake out of your head.
you know how Gemma Collins wants a Madame Tussauds of her body? I want cake out of my body. So that's what we're going to do today. Originally when I was planning this video, I thought, that's perfect, I'll get some heat safe silicone, which is fine for food. I had the realisation that that's about £70 and it takes 4 to 6 weeks to come in the post. And to be honest with you, I am quite impulsive and I just want to make it now. So instead of making heat safe, I'm going to make a Rice Krispie cake base. You know, like on how they do on all the cooking shows. So technically it's still a cake. It's called a Rice Krispie cake, and then we're gonna like cover it in icing and decorate it. I don't know if this is gonna work, but we're gonna give it a go. I mean, in isolation, is there anything better to do? Why do I look like Barry Benson when he goes, "You like jazz"? Now the only problem is, obviously I can't actually pour the Rice Krispie cake straight into my face. I was gonna put cling film on it to layer it, but we don't have any cling film. My mum stopped buying cling film. That's it. She's timed out on the cling film. So I'm going to have to do it with kitchen foil, which I don't think is going to have quite the same effect. And at the end of the day, I'm going to buttercream and then we're going to put fondant icing over it. So the little crinkles in the tin foil shouldn't really matter too much. Vegetable oil on the tin foil because then hopefully Rice Krispie cake will come off. I don't know. I'm a baker. Yeah, put my hands up. I am a baker. But I'm not a decorator. I feel like baking and decorating are two different worlds. It's like cooking and baking. Two separate things. I can't decorate. I don't have that eye for detail, so this could go catastrophically wrong. Yeah, that looks like my face. Does that look like my face? No, it looks like Skudrat's face, actually. So I've got my recipe here. It's very simple. 8 cups Rice Krispies, 6 cups mini marshmallows, 5 tablespoons of butter. Also, it's the first day it's been raining in isolation and I'm kind of living for it. I'm baking, I'm cozy, I feel, you know what I mean? Cozy. I feel like I want to watch Moana this afternoon. And now we go for 6 cups of mini Marshies. I like to call them Marshies, but then it also makes me think of Doctor Who with the Martians. Are there Martians on Doctor Who? I never even watched Doctor Who because I used to get too scared. Melt away, honey. Also, can we just talk about how this is the only Rice Krispies that they had in Tesco's? Which makes me think that maybe they just don't do Rice Krispies anymore in supermarkets. Maybe there's just not a demand for them. I mean, it is one of the worst cereals.
Is it?
Rice Krispies? Don't you think it's the worst cereal?
No.
Actually, no. It's not the worst. What's the worst cereal in your opinion?
All bran.
No!
All bran?
Yeah.
You've seen it?
Hang on, I've got to focus now because I'm doing
Hang on. That makes better.
Looks like a little army of marshmallows. I do feel like if there was a food that would be prepared for battle, I feel like it would be marshmallows. Like, come and have a look at them. They just look like they're real good team players. Don't they look like they would get on really well?
Yeah.
Support
Team.
one another. Yeah, they're a good team. Isn't it? Oh, I hate the fact there's pink marshmallows. It totally kills the vibe. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8! I'm gonna have to line another tray because I've actually made a lot. My face isn't actually that big.
Yeah. You put all them in?
That's what the recipe says.
Does it say small marshmallows?
Yeah, it says specifically mini. Here's what it looks like. It's quite hot, isn't it? Thanks for your help.
It's alright.
My face isn't that big. I really thought I had a massive face. Do I put my hands in oil or water? Water! The water in me water. Don't put oil on this hand. Oh my gosh, oil on the hands really works an absolute charm. Chin of mine. Kind of crimson chinny, do you know what I mean? We literally did not need half of that, but it's fine because now we've just got Rice Krispie treats. After all, Rice Krispie treats. Snap, Grackle, pop. I'm just saying. Oh, we're good. Now we're just going to wait for it to cool. That's when the good stuff starts happening. I'm going to pull her out, hopefully. Oh my gosh, I think it's actually worked. Fingers crossed. Fingers, toes, and your nose. Crossed. This is looking promising. Come on. It's not the full definition that one was hoping for. This is the head shape. We've got the nose and the chin, so that's good. And now what we need to do is we need to mix our fondant. We have our fondant here, and I'm gonna make it like, try and make it a peachy colour. To be honest with you, I feel like skin colour is the hardest colour to possibly get. I have been looking at pictures of people making heads. There's one of Prince Harry, and I don't know, whoever did that, they're a flipping genius. Just from the offset, that's not what you're going to be getting on today's video. It's going to be interesting, that's for sure. But we'll try. We love trying. Oh, I do love kneading. I add the pink or the red. I feel like I have a very red face. I'm going to do a bit of both, because why the heck not? Oh no, I think I might have gone too much pink, guys. It's very pink. I don't know what to do. I do have orange. I reckon, I actually feel like that's a lot better. I have some icings that have been chilling in the fridge for a long time, so I'm gonna go for those. I hate the colour peach. It's my least favourite colour. I feel like that is literally spot on to my skin colour. I'm really gassed about that. Yes! I'm really happy. There's a new palette now. What have you been up to during quarantine? Tell me a little bit about yourself. Where are you from? What have you been up to? What's been your quarantine highlight, shall we say? What's put a little bit of a pep in your step? I'd actually really like to see Yolandi how to cake it. See if she could actually make a really good, I bet she could do a great version of her head. Okay, so we've got our head and it's all iced, ready to go. Now what we need to do is we need to roll out our fondant to make it go over the head. And then we can get the fun stuff and get decorating. My decorating is really gonna make it... Decorating is not my strong suit. I can't stress it enough. I didn't like decorating. Product development is what I do. Roll it. I'm actually really proud of this colour that I've made. I hate peach though. Like, am I orange? Am I pink? I'm neither. I'm peach. But then I do like peaches. Can you imagine if I made this for someone's birthday? Like my head. But also, can you imagine if I had a boyfriend and I made it for them? Do you think they would like that? Because if they like my face already, why wouldn't they want a cake with my face? Do you know what I mean? Sorry, I turned my back to you. That's really, really rude, isn't it? It's on! It feels so weird, man! I feel like I'm caressing my face. Was my chin that pointy? Guys, this is awful. Does my head really look like that? When people say that I haven't put my baking degree to good use. And just like that, we have a head. Okay, so we have our cake pens. And if I had these as a kid, I would have been incredibly happy because I used to love writing on bananas. There is something about writing with a biro pen on banana skin that is really satisfying. And I'm hoping that I'm going to get the same kind of thrill. I don't know how to do this. Should I just put some white in there? This is so much fun. I feel like I've got... Right, I took a picture of my head earlier, just like this. I want to see all the details. Am I going to do an eyelid? Because I've got eyelids. I do have eyelids. That has really given it a added dimension. I love it. I absolutely love it. I'm going to make everyone's faces now. I'm going to get all my family and we're just going to have a cake eating time of our heads. Oh, I suppose I could do lips as well. How do I shape lips? This is really taking shape. I feel like on Art Attack, I actually think this might be the funniest thing I've done. I wonder what Mary Berry would think. Would she think, what a creative genius? Sometimes I wonder, like, what if the Queen was just browsing on YouTube once and she came across my videos? Would she think... These aren't realistic at all. Oh, babes. Your lips aren't that big, hon. Okay, hi guys. I've been really focusing on these lips. And now I'm going to go in with a black pen in the middle to make some, like, shadow. Look. It looks so bad. You know what they say about brows? They should be sisters. I definitely have a few straggly eyebrow hairs, so we're gonna definitely do that. Now I'm gonna go on with the lashes. But the thing is, you know when you look up close and it looks like it's working and then you come away and you realise it's not working? Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna colour in my eye. And I don't even know how I'm gonna do my hair, guys. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the orange for a few of, like, my blemishes. And this is real bad. We're gonna try, I always wear a plait, as you can see. So I just need this bit of the head. Oh, I know, I'll do black as the base. Now we're gonna get the blonde, because black and yellow make blonde. And I just realised I don't have any ears. and I need my ears. I don't know how I'm gonna make ears. I don't know, at this point, is there any saving? I don't think so. If you never try, you never know. Remember in school when you're doing a maths test, they would always say, wouldn't they? Even if you don't know the answer, give it a go. And I can confirm that is what I have done. How did people back in the day make those like Roman sculpture things? Honestly, guys, this ear, that is exquisite, Grace. Gone above and beyond there, my love. Real attention to detail. My art teachers are gonna be so proud of me. I might stick a cocktail stick through. This does feel a little bit barbaric. It's an abomination. It's a disgrace. What do you think?
The ears are off to a T.
I tried.
Which one am I talking to? This one.
I tried giving some definition. It's awful, isn't it?
The black and yellow hair, Grace.
There was no brown. So I
You know how to make brown though. You were ex-art student.
It's awful.
Actually, I like if you take that away, because actually you need some black. You've got no pupils.
Yeah, I tried
the
to,
iris,
and then it just poked
they
it
need to be
inwards.
bigger.
So Dad just wants to get.
But this bit I really like. So the modelling on the nose is really good. The painting on this is tricky.
You must have some fat up lips, huh?
And these lips need to be part of here.
Oh, that's what it is.
Just plonked on top, aren't they?
Yeah.
Oh, even well, right, Dad. You know what the next challenge is? I have to make you. You have to make me.
What
Now
about?
I'll make you with that again.
Dad,
The colour of this is quite good though. This is nice.
You
This is
make
good.
me out my skin colour. Thank you. You make me out cake, and I make you painting. Here it is.
You can roll.
I can't. It's so silly. I don't even know what to say. I'm speechless.
Where's the disinfection?
Look at that. She's stunning. Okay, so it is time to cut the head apart. Really reminds me of a head on a programme as a kid.
It reminds me of Mr. Potato.
I mean, the ear is poked in on a dog dust. Dad's having a little play with it, and then we need to do the cutting of the head. You know what? From here, it doesn't look that bad. From this angle,
you're making it worse.
No,
Dad, what are you doing? You don't. That looks like in primary school when I used to lick my lips like this.
Right, since one of your ears stuck out like flipping.
My ears do stick out.
Not like that, they don't.
Oh, to be fair, that's a nice touch, actually. That. Dad reckons he's improved it. Have you seen? I just want to cut her open.
I know, and then hold on.
What has he done? You've just
Hold on.
taken off the side of my face. Way, shape or form is that better? Right.
Whoa, savage.
That was very satisfying though. I lost my head. There was a programme on BBC like that, wasn't there?
I already don't know you got it there, it's so good. When you put that up, I mean, who am I looking at?
Grace. And we actually like this because there's one over there. The leftover tray we've already cracked into. It's really good, so highly recommend the recipe. And that is me making. So Dad just decided that that was enough content there, so he just stopped filming mid-talk. But she is all cut up, ready to be consumed. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know any other videos you want to see. Peace
Actually,
out.
that's much more like it, look. This, when it, wah, 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 wah. This is me, Grackle. I just do this. Here we are, look. Wah, 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 wah.
Okay. Pod off.